Okay, well, we'll do a startup video, but I let it warm up a little bit so it won't be overwhelmingly interesting. So while the engine warms up, I don't put that loud. I don't imagine probably starting put this mill in the worst spot. So we're starting this at 13 inches. Starting it at 13 inches. So that give us about 6 slabs, I guess. We'll see how they turn out. What they look like. Oh, also, I took the chainsaw to take a couple of wings off it, which was kind of disappointing, but it didn't fit inside the mill. It was really my only option. I did my best to take off as little as possible. You'll see here, it just fits. Probably could have shaved a little bit less off. But anyway, we'll get to milling here in a minute.